Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a calendar widget to your Notion workspace using your Google Calendar. By the end of this video, you'll be able to seamlessly view and interact with your calendar right inside Notion, making your workflow more organized and your scheduling so much easier. If you've ever wished that your tasks and events could live side by side in Notion, stick around because I've got you covered. All right, let's go ahead and dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your Google Calendar. If you're already logged into your Google account, you can just head to calendar.google.com. Give yourself a moment to get there. Once you're in, look over on the left sidebar. You'll see a list of all your calendars. Maybe you have one for work, one for personal, or even something for school. Pick the calendar that you actually want to embed in Notion. This is important because each calendar, work, personal, family, comes with its own events and its own sharing settings. So make sure you're choosing the one that will be most helpful for you in Notion. After you've chosen the calendar, bring your mouse over the calendar's name. Right beside it, you'll see 3 little dots or sometimes an arrow. Go ahead and click that, then select Settings and Sharing. This menu can feel a little overwhelming, but don't worry, we're looking for one specific thing. Scroll down slowly until you find the area labeled Integrate Calendar. Here, you'll see a couple of options, one for the public URL and one for the embed code. Both technically work, but in my experience, the URL is much more straightforward and reliable when you're adding it into Notion. Just click to highlight the calendar's public URL and copy it. Ctrl+C works on Windows, CMD+C on Mac. Now let's head over to Notion. Open the Notion page where you'd like the calendar to appear. Maybe it's your dashboard, a project workspace, or even a dedicated page for your schedule. Once you're in, decide where you want the calendar to actually live. You can always move it later if you change your mind. Okay, here's the crucial part. Paste that URL right onto the page. As soon as you do, Notion will give you an option to embed the link. Go ahead and click on that embed button. And just like that, Notion will load your Google Calendar directly on the page. It might take a moment for everything to display, especially if your calendar is packed with events. That's totally normal. Now you can view your upcoming appointments, double-check your schedule, and keep all your planning in one place. It's kind of like having your to-do list and your planner side by side, right on the same digital desk. If you run into any hiccups, maybe Notion says it can't embed the calendar, or your calendar is appearing empty, double-check that the calendar is set to public or properly shared in Google's settings. Sometimes private calendars can't be seen by third-party apps, and that's it. You've added your Google Calendar directly into Notion, which can really take your productivity to the next level. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's another Notion tip you love to see. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.